The Madlanga Commission has had explosive allegations that alleged underworld figure Vusumuzi Madlala secretly financed suspended Police Minister Senzo Mchunu presidential campaign, pouring hundreds of thousands of rands into African National Congress events to boost his political profile. Testifying the Madlanga Commission on Thursday, a protected witness known as Witness C claimed that Madlala boasted about contributing around 500,000 rand toward Mchundu's campaign, funds reportedly used to cover flights, accommodation and logistics for the ANC's January 8 celebrations in Cape Town. Madlala said Mchunu had presidential ambitions. He didn't believe Mchunu would win, but he was afraid to discourage him. According to the witness, Madlala's relationship with Mchunu became the subject of concern after a police raid on Madlala's Pretoria mansion on December 6, 2024. The raid, conducted as part of search for kidnapped businessman Jerry Boshoga, allegedly prompted Mchunu to use his political influence to interfere in the investigation. Witnesses alleged that Mchunu engaged security operatives to track down the officers involved in the raid using sophisticated grabber surveillance devices. The witness further implicated businessman and information broker Brown Mokhotsi, claiming he provided Madlala with the registration numbers of the police vehicles used during the operation. Mokhotsi allegedly revealed that the raid had been led by crime intelligence head, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo. Soon after, Mokhotsi and Mchunu allegedly advised Madlala to open a theft case at Brooklyn Police Station, claiming that the officer had stolen a Rolex watch, a firearm and other valuables during the raid. The case was later withdrawn. Witness C added that Madlala later confided about his ties to both Mchunu and suspended Deputy National Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya, saying he has been used in a plot to target Khumalo. Adding to the intrigue, Khumalo himself testified last month that Madlala had bankrolled ANC delegates aligned with Mchunu and made large payments to Mokhotsi, who allegedly leaked confidential police intelligence and sabotaged ongoing investigations. Investigators reportedly retrieved WhatsApp messages from Madlala's phone showing payment instructions, flight bookings and cash transfers, including a 38,000 rand payment to Godler specialist. Khumalo further alleged that the intelligence leaks orchestrated by Mokhotsi helped Madlala secure a lucrative 360 million rand state contract. Witness C also exposed the Deputy National Commissioner under crime detection. He testified in camera that 2 million rand in cash was dropped off at suspended Deputy Minister Shadrack Sibiya's Sandton home. He also testified that in January, Meda accused businessman Vusumuzi Madlala indicated that he had given Sibiya the large amount of money for the purchase of a bed and breakfast in Midrand. Head of the commission, Retired Judge Mbuyiseni Madlanga, asked if there was a paper trail showing the amounts mentioned, and Witness C said Madlala has several active bank accounts. Witness C testified that Sergeant F.E. Nkosi of the National Organized Crime Unit facilitated the transfers of money to Sibiya. He alleged that Madlala told him that Nkosi is in possession of Madlala's bank card, saying that in some instances, after payments by SAPS to Madlala were made, Nkosi would facilitate a physical drop-off to ensure the money gets into the hands of Sibiya. Witness C also testified that Madlala indicated that when Sibiya's son was getting married, he had given Sibiya 300,000 rand for the wedding. He testified that in another instance, Madlala indicated that Sibiya loves money a lot. Earlier, Witness C alleged that Madlala tried to intimidate officers by sharing contact details of senior SAPS generals. A conversation was recorded by Witness C. However, the recording could not be played at the commission. The testimony comes as Madlala was denied bail by the Johannesburg High Court in an attempted murder case involving his ex-girlfriend, actress Teboho Tshobejane. He appeared before the High Court to appeal the denial of his bail after being released last month. He is charged with the attempted murder of Tshobejane following a shooting incident on the N1 highway near Sandton in 2023. Meanwhile, Senzo Mchunu told Parliament's ad hoc committee last week that Vusumuzi Madlala was a stranger to him and that he had never met the man. Mchunu further denied allegations that Madlala funded his ANC presidential campaign. However, Witness C, a member of PKTT, painted a different picture at the Madlanga Commission on Thursday. Witness C said he told us of his connection with high-ranking officials of the SAPS. He started name-dropping, indicating that he was close to Mchunu, Brown Mokgotsi, and Deputy National Police Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya. Mchunu engaged his security, and they utilized the grabber machines in order to identify the SAPS members who had been investigating him and who had raided his house. Thus, when Mokgotsi sent him Matlala the registration numbers of the cars we were using when we went to his house, said the witness. Matlala said he was persuaded to open cases against PKTT at the Brooklyn police station.
See, we're about to play the first clip. It relates to the subheading Minister Mchunu.
Thank you, Commissioners.
The minister will rest of us by investing. So I know it's
but now, Mustafa contract, whereas you have just told us for it, you funded him,
yes.
the flight and stuff.
Yes, meaning he's biting me from one room against my island. That's why I didn't say. I was in to give a lamb. I look at my phone, you can open it to see. Because I get a gig in waiting today to Brown Mokgotsi. Stay this to the minister. Almost. So I did that January 8th. Even on my bank statements, I think you'll see them. I hope that they come back again.
Okay?
My bank statements, you'll see. I hope that they come back. The flight, the accommodation, I give them money or entertainment, all those things.
You give them how? Cash or you
No, they will give it out. Obviously, it was a gift to this company with a Khawla. If you see a company called Khawlatli, you can never very excited to take money.
Khawlatli?
Yeah, something Khawlatli is Kistwan.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I'm saying it's a name of a company.
Yeah.
Yes.
The right company.
It's a
Khawlatli, PTY, or what?
I didn't pay attention to those things.
So when if unsachele to patela through yona then
Witness C?
Yes, Commissioners.
Witness C, were you able to hear the recording? Was it audible on your side?
Yes. Yeah, it was audible on my side, Commissioners.
Thank you.
Please don't explain what it says. Let's just continue, and where we have questions, we'll put questions.
Some of it is in Setswana.
And those parts that are not in English.
What's the check on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.